Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So it's me again, Catherine Arceo. So kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, please do subscribe and click the notification bell and like this video. So, nitong nakarang week nga ay nagkaroon na ABS-CBN Ball 2019 para sa Bantay Bata 163. At si Ate Ann lang naman ang third best dress sa Metro.style or Metro Magazine sa mga best dress dun sa ABS-CBN Ball, which is super ganda. And ang kanyang gown, I heard, I have the photo, ginayon yung kay Audrey Hepburn, which is one of her favorite icons. Kaya ginayon yun. So, ang gagawin natin for this makeup tutorial is gagayahin natin yung kanyang makeup look doon sa kanyang ABS-CBN Ball 2019. So, nakapag-pack on na ako ng aking bake and nakapag-skin tint na rin ako, Sun Shield of BLK Cosmetics in the shade Butterscotch. So, ayan. So, mag-head na tayo sa ating eyebrows. So, ang napansin ko sa eyebrows doon ni Ate Ann is sa mga everyday looks niya, ginagamit niya lagi ay parang eyebrow gel. So, dito sa look, very 1950s, ginamit niya lang yata is eyebrow powder. So, yun ang gagamitin ko for today. And the shade that I'm going to is very light lang, which is this shade, the lightest. So, everything that I'm going to be using sa makeup tutorial nito will be down below in the description box. Okay? So, let's start our makeup vlog. Very lang yun, manipis lang yung ginawa niya. I don't know kung super dark yung akin. Kasi yung kanya is very light lang. Doon na tayo sa eyeshadow. So, I don't know anong kind of eyeshadow yung ginawa niya doon. But, manghuhula na tayo na eyeshadows. Ang gagamitin ko, itong shade na to, very peachy siya. Kasi yung ano niya dun is hindi dark. Very light lang. So, that's what I'm going to do. A very light dito lang sa aking crease shadow. I don't know if nag-eyeshadow siya dun. Kasi super ganda ng aura niya dun. And then, after the eyeshadow, magmamaskara na agad tayo. I won't be using, So, after the mascara, magko-contour na agad tayo. Di ba, ang bilis lang ng makeup tutorial na to. Kasi simple nga lang yung makeup niya doon. And, I'm going to use this shade, the lightest one. Light lang yung pag-contour niya doon. Yun yung gagawin natin. Hindi heavy yung makeup nila doon sa ball. Kasi napanggalang ng Filipina yun. And then after the contour, ibabrush off ko na yung excess powder sa aking face. And, hindi ko alam kung nag-blush on doon si Ate Ann. At mag-a-assume na lang ako na naglagay siya ng blush. So, ang gagamitin kong pang-blush on ay itong I Do Lipstick ni Ate Ann from BLK Cosmetics. Hula tayo ng blush. Hindi ko kasi alam kung nag-blush on siya doon. Dito lang. And then, after the blush, I don't know if nag-highlight siya kasi 1950s nga yung style niya. So, ang gagawin ko na is, gagamitin ko itong highlighter na to to highlight sa bandang cheeks. Kasi she looks very dun eh. Ang ganda ng look ko. Shiny shimmer. Konti lang. Sa cheeks lang. Lalagay yung nose. And for the final touch, her lipstick there was parang old rose. Parang ganun yung kulay ng lipstick niya doon. Hindi ko alam kung kakulay nito Mona mo, pero ito yung gagamitin ko na lipstick for that look. I'm not sure if ito yung shade na ginamit niya. Yan. Ganyan yung shade. Oh. So, we'll see. Pero parang ganito din naman. Yung shade niya dun. Parang lang ha. I'm not sure. Ayan, di ba? So, ito na guys. So, aayusin ko lang yung look ko, yung final look for this makeup tutorial. And then, I will be back. So, guys, this is the final look of our makeup tutorial for today. O, diba? So, naglagay ako ng blazer, gloves, and then, ito. I know na hindi ganito yung kay Ann, pero ito na yung makakaya ko for this look. So, ayan na. I-comment nyo naman sa baba ko na masasabi niya sa look na to. So, ayan na siya. Very pang 1950s, diba yung style? So, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And of course, please subscribe on my channel, guys. And I'll see you till my next one. Thank you for watching. And kung may mga request videos pa kayo from me, please comment down in the comment section. And I'll see you on my next one again. Bye-bye!